remember the first time I met actor Joseph Fiennes in France. We enjoyed the day together along the famed Cannes Riviera. He is charming and elegant while at times serious and introspective. His passion for work is evident as he puts all of his energy into everything he does. And now, besides being an acclaimed actor from the hit series, The Handmaid's Tale, he is also an explorer in the epic 3-part National Geographic adventure series Egypt with the World's Greatest Explorer. The series, premiering March 14 in the US, follows Sir Ranulph Fiennes as he recreates his famed 1969 expedition along the River Nile with his cousin Joseph. Named by the Guinness Book of Records as the world's greatest living explorer, Sir Ranulph Fiennes has spent his life in pursuit of extreme adventures, taking part in the most amazing expeditions on the planet. He has walked unaided to the North Pole, discovered a lost city in Oman, and led the only expedition to circumnavigate the globe by land via both poles. During one of his most famous expeditions, Ranulph attempted to walk solo without any support to the North Pole in 2000. After falling through the ice, he sustained severe frostbite on the tips of all the fingers and his left hand. When the pain eventually became overwhelming, Ranulph decided to cut off his own fingers with an electric saw in his garden shed once he returned home. In 1969, he was the first person to travel down the Nile as part of a hovercraft expedition, and now he's returning to the site of this historic journey with his cousin, as they recreate the original expedition route. Viewers will get to see Ran, as his friends call him, 74, mentoring his 48-year-old cousin on how to fight off scorpions as well as defuse an anti-tank mine with a Swiss Army knife. They both face deadly animals and travel the dunes of the Sahara Desert to spend a night inside the Great Pyramid and eventually manage the snake-infested Tomb Raider tunnels to find mummified bodies. Together they explore a newly discovered ancient Egyptian tomb in Minya, get to engage in a traditional fighting technique using 4-foot sticks Tahtib, and along the way we get to experience stunning, barren landscapes while discovering a special bond between the cousins as they face breathtaking challenges. Sir Ranulph Fiennes said, "I know firsthand how fascinating and exhilarating Egypt is for an explorer, and I was excited to show Joe the ropes and to see how much Egypt has changed in the last 50 years. Joseph Fiennes, who also serves as a producer on the series, said, "It is every young person's dream to go on an expedition with the world's great living explorer." He detailed the upcoming life-changing episodes, and I am green with envy wishing I was along for the ride as Sir Ranulph created one of the most memorable and exclusive adventures ever. At the beginning of the series, we witness them traveling through the Great Sand Sea of the Sahara.